Are you wondering when's the best time to plant corn? Well, it's right now. And the important thing about planting corn is to always read the directions on the back side of the package, because it tells you how deep to plant the corn, 1 inch, and it tells you also when to plant the corn. If you're in an area where it's frosted, still at this time of the year, you might want to wait a little, but in most areas, it's a good time for planting corn. I like to suggest that you plant it in the north-south direction so that the air flows freely through the rows. If you plant them in the east-west direction, the first row catches a strong wind, and if it's really strong, the corn plants are apt to fall over on the next row, the next row, and the next row. So see, that doesn't make sense. The other thing is that when you have them planted correctly in the north-south direction, it also provides shade for the plants if they're grown in an east-west direction. So the first row shades the second row, which shades the third row, which shades the fourth row. That doesn't make sense. So the north-south direction is the way I think, to plant it. Plant it 1 inch deep. The directions are right on the back of the package. And you'll notice that I have outlined the rows here. You can actually string them if you want to, whichever way works out best for you. And remember to only cover them with 1 inch of soil to begin. Then as they grow, you can pull in a little bit of the surrounding soil too as well. Now I space the rows 24 inches apart, and then every second row I space 30 inches apart. So that gives you room to walk down when the plants are young and water the plants easily, and any weeding that needs to be done can easily be done. It's not difficult to plant corn, and boy, the flavor of that fresh corn from your own garden, you can't beat it. And now's a good time to plant it.